Hello children, welcome to our English class. In English class today, we will learn about the sound of vowel O. Vowel O says O as in orange, ostrich, octopus. Let's all learn the sound of vowel O when it is clubbed with or joined with different consonants. On the screen, we can see various pictures and vowel O in the center. Read aloud the words with vowel O, as the first picture is of a small bear which is called cot. C-O-T says cot. C-O-T, cot. Cot. C-O-T says cot. The next picture is of dog. D-O-G. D-O-G. Dog. Dog. The next picture is of a pot, which says P-O-T. P says P. O says O. T says T. Pot. 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 Next one is B-O-Y, which says B-O-Y. Boy. E-Y says year. B-O-Y. Boy. The next one is of a fish. The word is C-O-D. C-O-D. Cod. C-O-D. Cod. Let's look at the next picture, which says B-O-X. B-O-X. X is X. B-O-X is B-O-X. Box. Box. Let's look at the next picture. It says T-O-P. T-O-P. Top. 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 Top means lattu. Top means lattu. Children, similarly, there when we add O, when we add various consonants to word O, it has its own sound. It becomes a new word like rob, job, mod, mob, and so on. So keep on reading these words and try to make more new words with vowel O. I'll see you in the next class. Bye bye.